Welcome to my video. It's an unboxing video, and I just recently purchased this off Amazon. It's a stem kit, EUDAX, and this is a for magnetism, and we'll see what's in here. I just got this in the mail yesterday, and it's just for ages 14 on up, and then we'll see what we've got here. Let's open it up. Okay, let's take all this stuff out and we'll look at it. Look like some magnets. A couple of bar magnets. And then here's a compass. Definitely points. Okay, so these are the basic parts that came with it. And I'm not sure what the butterflies are about. I'm sure they're magnetic. I don't know what the butterflies are about. Well, we're going to find out. We'll see what this came with. Okay, here is the manual that it came with. It looks pretty simplistic. It talks about the physics science magnet set, what comes with it, and then what you can do with it. And talks a little bit about experimental principles, so that's good. But I can already see, so there's the north and south magnet. This is the pushing the little magnetic wheel. This has got to be with this right here, having the magnet being attracted to these little pieces of metal. So that's what that's about. And then this is going to be using this magnet right here. And here's the iron filings. Oops, that's attached to it. To do and see just what the magnetic field lines look like. So that's a standard thing. And then here's two bar magnets right here. And I'm not sure what the butterflies are about. I think it's just more show and tell, basically. I don't think there's any scientific benefit to that, but it is kind of neat. So this is what came with. And my plan is to do some basic videos the next day or two to hopefully help parents or teachers understand what's going on in these kits and kind of combine a little science with it so that when you're explaining this to a young person, that you can explain and give them a little information other than just random pictures. One thing I did want to notice real quick that's pretty standard I'm not seeing here. These should have had magnetic keepers. These are basically, you put it like this, it completes a magnetic circuit, and then it should have been on that. Put a little piece of metal right here, and it keeps the magnet from decaying so rapidly. That's a minor point. I'm sure these magnets work. So in the case of this demonstration, it'll work fine. I want to thank you for watching and stay tuned as I'm going to try to do some basic videos on this.